Hi, this is Sandeep, the ERP coordinator from Agenex Technologies. In this video, I'm going to show you how to create the questions and then compile them into a question paper. So as you all know, the e-learning dashboard where you are creating the chapters and then also attaching the e-content resources for the students. So in the chapter tab, click on the chapter tab. Click on your class and then click on your subject like this. So in this chapter page you can see different chapters created by the teachers, and if you have created any question in the particular subject, it will be visible in the question column. As I have created a demo chapter here by my name, you can see that there is no question added here yet. So in the right side you can see a questions tab or a question button here. Click on that. In this page you can click on the add question button. In this page you can create any question regarding to your particular chapter. So select the question type. You have to make either objective or subjective. You can create here, and then select the difficulty level for that question. Enter the marks for that question. Suppose 3 or 4 marks for this question. I am putting 4 here. After that, set the time required for that particular question you are creating in minutes. After that, in this editor you can create your question. So I am typing a demo question here like this. After that, scroll down, you can see the answer options and 4 boxes for the options. Type in your options and which one is your right option. Click on this checkbox, which one is the right. After clicking, a blue tick sign will be there. In this check editor column, you can see the editor button is there. On clicking this editor button, you can also edit any option you have entered there. So as I am typing C and clicking on copy and close, you can see that the option gets edited here, and clicking on save button, then this question will be saved. Also there is this image button where you can add any image or any diagram in your question. You can also select an image from a website by typing that URL here. So in this upload button, you can select any image you have in your PC for that particular question. As I am selecting a sample picture from the computer here, and then clicking on open, I will click on the send it to the server. In the lower left, you can see that it will be uploading. After successful uploading, set the width and height of this particular image, and then click OK. As you can see that image is in the height of 60 by 60, height and width of that image. Also there is this table button. If you have to create any table in your question, you can also set there by tapping in the rows and columns defining by you, and then clicking on OK. Like this, a table will also be created in the question. Also, if you want to create any math type question, there is this math type button in which you can select different symbols for your question making for the math type. So suppose I am creating this 2 square 2 and then clicking on OK. This will be copied in the question like this here. So with the use of this editor, you can create any type of question, whatever you want. After the clicking on save button, this question will be saved in your chapter. So here the question is created. You can see that time, marks, difficulty, question type all is visible here. again when go to chapter and click on the class, and then your particular subject. So here you see that one question is created in this chapter. Okay, thank you. Please like, share and subscribe this video.